helped kind of ease into it, because, you know, my arrangement with my partner, or now partner, was that even after the purchase closed, I was going to continue to work full time for like two years, primarily to help ease that transition, get clients transferred over to her. That 2 years is up. It was up the end of December of 2019. But we just decided mutually that I was going to continue to work some at the office. In fact, I'm down now working 2 days a week, which has certainly freed up a lot of time to be able to, you know, go visit grandkids and work in the yard